Hey there, space enthusiasts. Have you ever dreamed of building your own satellite? Well, today I'm going to show you how you can turn that dream into reality. It's simpler than you might think and incredibly rewarding. First things first, let's talk about the essential components you'll need. The core of any satellite is its bus, which is basically the frame that holds everything together. It's the skeleton of your spacecraft. You can use lightweight materials like aluminum or carbon fiber for this. Next up, you'll need a power source. Most small satellites use solar panels, which convert sunlight into electricity. Make sure to include a battery to store the energy for when your satellite's in the Earth's shadow. Communication is key. Equip your satellite with a radio transceiver to send and receive data. This is how you'll communicate with your creation from ground control. Don't forget the antennas. Now let's talk about sensors and instruments. Depending on your mission, you might want cameras, spectrometers, or other scientific instruments. These are what will carry out the actual tasks you designed your satellite for. Of course, you can't forget the onboard computer. This is the brain of your satellite, responsible for controlling all its functions. A small, powerful microcontroller like a Raspberry Pi can do the trick. Don't forget attitude control. Your satellite needs to stay oriented correctly in space. Gyroscopes and reaction wheels help with this. Finally, you'll need a launch service to get your satellite into space. There are many companies like SpaceX and Rocket Lab that offer ride-share programs for small satellites. It's more affordable than ever. And voila, you've got yourself a DIY satellite. Remember, building a satellite is a complex but incredibly fulfilling project. Do your research, follow safety guidelines, and maybe soon, you'll be watching your satellite orbit the Earth. Thanks for watching and happy building.